Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. My name is Faye, and for today's video I'm going to unbox my brand new Chanel bag with you guys. So if you are interested, keep on watching. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Faye and I post videos related to speech language pathology, fashion, beauty, vlog, and if you are not new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning back in. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to my channel down below. Make sure to also turn on the bell notification so you can be notified every time I upload a new video, and I will try to upload videos at least every 2 weeks, or I don't know. I've been so busy just moving from California to Texas. I just bought a house here, and the whole process of like acquiring a new house, buying furniture, planning the new house, it's very time consuming and it's taken a lot of my time. So I will try to get back into the routine of creating videos for you guys soon. Before we get to the unboxing part of this video, I want to quickly talk about Dossier. Dossier is a perfume brand that offers high-end luxurious perfumes at a fraction of the price. Here is the box. I just got 2 of their new scents. I think at this point I probably have about, including these 2, maybe 6 of Dossier perfumes. And this one is called Oriental Woody 7. I love the simple packaging. I believe that this one is comparable to the Viktor & Rolf Flower Bomb. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right. In this, I have Oriental Woody 6. Every box comes with a little sample that you can use, try it on before unsealing the big bottle, and if you don't enjoy the scent, you can always return and get your full money back. Each of these boxes is $29, and if you get 3 or more, you will get a discount on the website. You will also get free shipping as well. I do also have a discounted link where you can get 10% off on your order on Dossier, so feel free to check out the link in my description box below. I kind of want to try this Oriental Woody 6. Let's see. Let's do some of my hair. I curled my hair today for you guys. My hair is always straight, so I thought because I haven't posted a video in a very long time, I figure I should try something different just to get myself back in the mood of filming and all that stuff. Alright, so let's get back to the main topic of today's video, shall we? Here is the bag. I got it a very while ago, but I saved it just so I can film this and unbox it with you guys. Let's do this. Dun 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 dun. I'm so excited. Oh my god. So I looked at it in the store already, but after they packed it up, I haven't opened it since. When I was in the store, I was kind of debating if I should get the caviar skin or the lamb skin, but after much consideration and a lot of time spent in the Chanel store, I decided to go with the classic lamb skin. I do like how structured the caviar leather looks, but I feel like it's a little dull, and it's my first Chanel bag. I want to get the most iconic bag. And also, I'm not planning on using this bag on a day-to-day basis, you know, probably just when I have a special occasion. So I think lambskin would not be too bad. Also, I just love the luxurious look of the lambskin. I heard from the store associate that with the caviar leather bag, over time, if you don't clean it regularly, the dust is going to collect on the creases of the caviar leather bag, and for some reason when I started picturing it in my head, I just didn't want to have the caviar leather anymore. But with the lambskin, they said that I have to keep it stuffed just so that the bag could keep its shape. So that's what I'm gonna do. This is so cool. I'm not sure if I want to actually film me opening this bag or just letting you see my reaction. I don't know which one would be more exciting, but we'll see this. Let's try that. Let's try this. Moment of truth. I saw on Poshmark people selling these wrapping bows and boxes from Chanel for like maybe $20 or $30. I forgot, but why would you buy these packaging items? I wonder if maybe it could be when you are reselling used products and you don't have the original packaging, maybe, or maybe it's for like fake products. I'm not sure. Here you go. This is honestly my first time unboxing anything fancy. I don't know how to do this properly. This is probably my first designer bag, so this is super exciting. I got the medium classic bag in lambskin and gold hardware. Wow, this is a lot of packaging. This is how it looks. It's so pretty. I am a gold hardware girl. I love gold. It's so perfect for me. I, for some reason, do not like the oily, shiny look of the lambskin as much as other people, but the lambskin on this bag isn't as shiny. I feel like it's a little more matte. And also, I heard that this bag scratches very easily, but they said if I just use like the oil of my hand and try to like clean it off, or maybe clean it off with the tissue that they gave. I don't know where it is. It should come off. Let's open it. And then it is double flap with the inside. Right now it doesn't have any tissue stuffed. I probably have to do that myself. Let me see what this is. Oh, authentication certificate. Should I keep it in the bag? Yeah, I'm probably gonna keep it in the bag. So here's the inside of the bag. And then on top, it has a little zipper. It's super small. I don't know what I can keep in here. Maybe I can keep the authentication certificate in here. Let's see if it fits. No. This card doesn't fit up there. I'm gonna remove the plastic here too. When I was in the store, I saw the white bag in caviar leather, and I was kind of debating getting that bag, but they said that with that bag you can't really wear anything dark colored. Felt like it just kind of limits my options of what to wear, so I went with the classic one. I'm gonna try it on for you guys to see. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This is so pretty. I love it so much. Oh my god. It's so beautiful. I think I'm probably gonna wear it like this the most. I like shoulder bags. I know you can wear it like this as well, but I don't know if I like how it looks like this. I'm not sure. It's kind of cool, but it's sort of awkwardly sitting on my hip bone. That is all for today's video. I hope you enjoy my unboxing video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. It's going to help with the YouTube algorithm and also help with my channel's growth. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch my video today, and feel free to comment down below what type of video you want to see next. Until next time, bye!